Alright, and we did it again. So as what I've mentioned in the previous video, I expected price to come down into this 15 minutes fair value gap, right? However, it did not reach into this fair value gap. It bounced off this order block right here. Okay, so there you see, right? And right now I think we are reaching up into this daily volume imbalance, weekly fair value gap, and equal highs over here. This will be a very strong level of, I think, sensitivity. I would not want to say that it's a resistance because we are not sure until we reach there and see how the candles print. Okay, so during the AM session, just want to run through a bit. We had this seek and destroy profile right here, heading towards the New York Open. So 8:30, right, just chopped around at 9:30, likewise, and at 10 a.m. there was this PMI news. Alright, if you go down to the even lower time frames, you would see that it's basically manual intervention. Okay, so why so, right? You look at this candle right here, wicks below and above, taking out the liquidities, and then after that it wicked one more time above this this high here, right? Took out everyone who shorted this move down here. Okay, because anyone shorting would have logically wanted to take profits right here, or maybe this equal lows right here. Okay, so it just kind of stopped short of it on the first week. Therefore, I would expect them to hold on, but then eventually, as you can see over here, they got stopped out. Okay, the entry for this play here, you can see it on the 1 minute chart, and actually you can use the 5 minutes, but the 1 minute's more wait, can you see on the 5 minutes? No, not really. I'm sorry, this is the 1 minute chart. Okay, so on the 1 minute it's very simple, right? Buy side relative equal highs over here, purged at 9:42, right, this candle, and breaking down this swing low here. So this is a bearish fair value gap. You have another one over here, right? If you have went short in this area, right, if you take this swing high to this swing low, 50% is this order block right here. And if you would have shorted here, your stop loss would be this high here, or this candle here, right? So price reached into a very deep premium and then broke down, right? Your first profit taking, like first partial, would be definitely this lows here, but then the thing is you would never anticipate it because this is a 1 minute candle. Okay, so yeah, with that said, not too bad on syncing with the markets, right? So right now the price is pulling up into this area here. I think on Thursday we're gonna have, like, I don't know, even more consolidation, I guess, with a tighter range, I expect, right? Tighter range of seek and destroy, maybe above premium. Okay, within this premium range, price should be wanting to do that. And heading into Friday, I think a purge of some buy side will happen, and then the real move begins breaking down. Okay, it can reach as high as, on the daily, the levels are quite, the range is quite big. Okay, this is the weekly fair value gap range, this is volume imbalance, this is another level of volume balance, and over here you have this order block. Okay, so anything above 50%, if you want to use these bodies of the candle, it would be above this daily volume imbalance. But if you want to use this swing high to this swing low as you normally would, it would be above this balanced price range and slightly above the mean threshold of this, can I call it a breaker? I don't think you can call it breaker, but maybe this is all the block right here. Okay, so not too sure what's gonna happen on the daily because the range is too high, so technically I wouldn't want to short anything above here unless I get a confirmation. Okay, if there is no movement this Friday after non-farm payrolls, I'll definitely wait for next week. Okay, you will have higher probabilities as compared to this week, right? Because right now, as you can see, the daily candles are in like it's stuck in this channel. Okay, you want to see some form of movement away from this channel, and there you get your easy buyers heading into the end of January. Okay, and yeah, that's about it, right? Just one last look. This orange line is the news driver, news release. Okay, right, there is nothing else.